Once the RAID groups have been created, the next step is to create LUNs. To create LUNs, proceed to the LUN section of the Storage Resources area of the user interface. At this point, go to the Create icon, and from there you will be presented with a dialog. This dialog gives you the option of selecting which RAID group you'd like to create the LUNs in. In this particular example, we're going to use the RAID 50 fiber channel LUNs, and we're going to create 10 LUNs. Each one of these LUNs will be named so as it's associated with the RAID group name. You can name them whatever you want. I'm going to create 10 of them, and the capacity of each of them is going to be 10 gig. The stripe depth, you can change that to whatever you deem needed. I usually leave it at the default of 64K. And then the owning controller for fiber channel disks, it will actually spread the LUNs across multiple controllers, controller A and controller B, inside of the array. So we'll just leave that as is for the time being, and select OK. There we go, we've got 10 RAID 50 LUNs have been created. We'll also create 10 LUNs based on the SATA RAID group. We'll name these accordingly as well. We'll create 5 on controller A and 5 on controller B. With SATA we don't have the option of moving across both, so you have to split them, and the capacity will be 20 gig. We'll now go and create 5 more LUNs on controller B. At this point you have 20 LUNs available. Lastly, I'll create 3 fencing disks. Fencing is useful where there is the opportunity for the interconnects between the clusters to fail. It adds an extra level of security to make sure that the data doesn't get corrupted. So I'll create 3 small fencing LUNs. At this point you can see that there are LUNs coming online. You can check the status of LUN formatting by clicking on the bar in the bottom right hand corner. This will actually show you the progress of the creation of the LUNs.